Hello viewers, today in this class we are going to look at the properties of medians and the centroid, the various theorems which are associated with median and centroid. Let's look at the triangle. Triangle ABC, side which is opposite to A, we take it as A, and D is a midpoint. Therefore, the length of BD becomes A by 2, length of DC becomes A by 2. Side which is opposite to angle C, we will take it as length C. Side which is opposite to angle B, we take it as length B. So, AB is equals to C, AC is equals to B. Cosine rule will apply in a triangle. In a triangle, the cosine rule is, if it is theta, ABC, C square is equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. This is the cosine rule in a triangle. So, first we will apply in triangle ABD. If you apply the cosine rule in ABD, we take this angle as theta. This becomes 180 minus theta. Side which is opposite to theta is AB. Therefore, AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square minus 2 into AD into BD cos theta. Look at in the same way in triangle ADC. AC square is equals to same AD square plus DC square minus 2 into AD into DC cos 180 minus theta. Here D is the midpoint of BC. So, we can say BD is equals to DC and cos theta cos 180 minus theta. We all know that cos 180 minus theta is equals to minus cos theta. If you take here 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, therefore, this whole thing becomes plus 2 into AD into this DC is same as BD, BD cos theta. We can cancel this, add both equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore, we get AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 times of AD square plus BD square. And we call this as 𝗹𝗁𝗺 theorem. We call it as a 𝗹𝗁𝗺 theorem. What 𝗹𝗁𝗺 theorem says? If you take any triangles, sum of squares of two triangles is equals to twice of square of median plus the side which median bisects, the third side of a triangle, half of the third side of a triangle square. Let us take it further. This AB square is nothing but C square, AC square is B square is equals to 2 times of the median which bisects the side A, we take it as MA, 2 times of MA square plus half of the third side square which is A square by 4. Multiplied with 2, it becomes B square plus C square is equals to 2 MA square plus a square by 2. Again multiply it with 2. 2b square plus 2c square is equals to 4ma square plus a square. We have multiplied it with 2 both the sides. From this, if you try to get what is ma, so ma square is equals to, I would say 1/4 of 2 times of b square plus 2 times of c square minus a square. So median with respect to side A is 1/2 under root of 2 into b square plus 2 into c square minus a square. This is the length of median which respects to side A. If we continue it further, similarly we can write 2a square plus 2b square. In a same triangle I can write 2a square plus 2b square is equals to 4 into median with respect to c is 4mc square plus c square. I can also write 2a square plus 2c square is equals to 4 mb square plus b square. If you add all of them, here I will get 4 into a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 4 into ma square plus mb square plus mc square plus 1 time of a square plus b square plus c square. If you get it here, it is 3 times of sum of squares of sides. A square plus b square plus 3 square is sum of squares of side is equals to 4 times of sum of squares of medians. ma square plus mb square plus mc square. So I would say sum of squares of sides a square plus b square plus c square by sum of squares of medians ma square plus mb square plus mc square is equals to 4 out of 3. So always remember, sum of squares of sides is always greater than sum of squares of medians. In equilateral triangle, I can simply say side is equals to, or else side square by median square is equals to simply 4/3, because all the medians and all the sides in equilateral triangle are equal. Therefore, I can say side is equals to √3/2 median is equals to √3/2 into side. Median is equals to √3/2 into side in an equilateral triangle. If I take M1, M2, M3 are medians of triangle ABC, then area of triangle ABC is equals to 4/3 under root of m into m minus m1, m minus m2, m minus m3. Here m is equals to m1 plus m2 plus m3/3. We have derived this formula from the Heron's formula. We know Heron's formula is when 3 sides of a triangle are given, triangle A, 3 sides of a triangle ABCs are given. Heron's formula is under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is a semi-perimeter which is A plus B plus C by 2. Since the ratio of medians to its sides is 3:4, we are deriving the area as 4 by 3 under root of M into M minus M1 into M minus M2 into M minus M3. Now let's consider medians in a right angle triangle. I am taking a right angle triangle ABC as shown in the figure, where right angle is at B. Now AQ and PC are medians of this triangle. Medians are intersecting there as shown in the figure, and P is a midpoint of AB, Q is a midpoint of BC. Now apply Pythagoras rule in this triangle. First I would say AQ square is equals to AQ square is equals to, we know 2x whole square which is 4x square plus y square. Median PC square is equals to x square plus 4y square. Add both of them. AQ square plus PC square is equals to 5 into x square plus y square. If you take AC square, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square, that is 2x square plus 2y square, which is 2x whole square plus 2y whole square, 4x square plus 4y square. Consider equation number 1, equation number 2. AQ square plus PC square or CP square is equals to, if you divide both of them 1 by 2, you will get 5 by 4 times of AC square. Median 1 square in a right angle triangle, median 1 square plus median 2 square is equals to 5 by 4th of the hypotenuse square. Now let's consider if medians are perpendicular to each other. In this triangle, this is a normal triangle ABC, but medians are perpendicular to each other, and we know medians, the intersection point of medians is a centroid. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, take it as 2x x and CF I am taking it as 2y y. Let's take this whole side as A, this whole side as B, this side is C. Here if you consider in triangle BGF, in triangle BGF, I would say 4x square plus y square is equals to BF square, or else A square by 4 you can say. In triangle CGE, I would say x square plus 4y square, Pythagoras rule I am taking it. I would say CE square is equals to B square by 4. Add both of them. 5x square plus 5y square is equals to A square plus B square by 4. In triangle BGC, use the Pythagoras rule. You say BC square is equals to 4 into x square plus y square, because 2x whole square plus 2y whole square. Equation number 1, equation number 2. From this I can say x square plus y square is BC square by 4. So substitute in this. 5 into BC square by 4 is equals to A square plus B square by 4. A square means AB square plus AC square by 4. 4 get cancelled. BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square by 5. BC is equals to the third side is equals to under root of AB square plus AC square by 5. So, when medians are perpendicular to each other, this derivation will be most helpful to you. And when medians corresponding to two sides are given, remember, in order to find out the length of the third side, the length of third side is equals to under root of the sum of squares of other two sides divided by 5. Here the other two sides which corresponding to the medians given are AB and AC. So, BC is equals to under root of AB square plus AC square by 5. Suppose medians corresponding to the side AB and AC are perpendicular to each other. Length of side AB is equals to 19, length of side AC is equals to 21. Length of side AC is equals to 22. Then if they ask you to find out BC, so directly you can substitute in this formula. BC is equals to under root of 19 square plus 22 square divided by 5. 19 square is equals to 361. 484 divided by 5. Under root of 845 by 5, which is equals to 169, which is equals to 13. So, these are the most important numbers. When in a triangle medians are perpendicular, they may give you two corresponding sides 19, 22. They may ask you for the third side, that is BC is equals to 13. They can give you 19, 22, 13, or else they can give you any multiples of this 19, 22, 13. Look at in this problem. ABC is a triangle, right angled at B. If P and Q are the midpoints of AB and BC, then first option is AQ square plus CP square is equals to AC square. Second option AQ square plus CP square is equals to 4 by 5 of AC square. We have already seen this problem. So, we know median 1 square plus median 2 square is equals to 5 into hypotenuse square by 4, or else 5 by 4th of hypotenuse square. So, the answer for this is going to be AQ square plus CP square is equals to 5 by 4th of AC square. Let us look at this problem. In triangle PQR, C is the centroid. PQ is equals to 30 centimeter, QR is equals to 36 centimeter and PR is equals to 50 centimeter. If D is a midpoint of QR, then what is the length of CD? Draw this angle PQR. PD is a median, D is a midpoint of QR. C is a centroid, C divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, CD is equals to 1/3 of PD. Length of median PD is equals to half of PQ square 2 into PQ square plus 2 into PR square minus QR square, or else you can use Apollonius theorem in order to get so. PD is equals to half of 2 into 30 square, that is 1800, 2 into 50 square, that is 5000, minus QR square 36, that is 1296. 1800 minus 1296 is 504. Half of 5000 plus 504 gives you 5504. Since if you observe all the options, there is root 86 common, therefore you can say 5504 is definitely divisible by 86. If you factorize 5504, it comes out to be 86 into 64. If 64 comes out, it will be 8. 8 by 2 is going to be 4 root of 86. This is not CD, this is PD. But we need to find out CD. CD is 1/3 of PD, which is equals to 1/3 or else 4 by 3 into root over 86. So answer is 4 by 3 root over 86. Look at the next problem. In triangle XYZ, G is a centroid. It is similar to the previous one. G is a centroid. XY is equals to 11. YZ is equals to 14. ZX is equals to 7. All you have to find out is GM. We know centroid divides it in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, GM is equals to 1/3 of XM. XM is a median, which is half of 2 into 11 square, that is 242, plus 2 into 7 square, that is 98, 2 into 49, minus 14 square, 196. So you can say 98 minus 196 is 98, minus 98, if you take out from this, it will be 144. So 12 by 2 is equals to 6. Median is 6. You are dividing 6 in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, GM is equals to 1/3 of 6, which is 2. Here we have seen the properties of medians and the theorems associated with medians and few problems based on the medians. In the next class, we will look at few more problems based on median, then we will go for altitude and orthocenter.